Hello, everybody. I am David, and I will be with you in this course at Shakkour Academy. But remember, we have worked hard on this course to help you understand and learn English step by step. I hope you enjoy it, so let's get started.
It's normal to have some difficulties during this course. Don't worry. I will use easy sentences to help you understand. Everything is designed with you in mind. We will add subtitles in English and then include the Arabic translation. All you need to do is focus on my voice and follow me word by word. You just need to understand the main idea. We guarantee you will understand at least 50% of each video. I don't want to take too much of your time, so let's get started. Hello again. Look, my dear friend, I will give you some advice to get the most out of this course. Every day, you will follow a lesson with me in the morning, and we will work on passive and active listening at the same time. First, you need to listen to the text with high focus. It's normal if you don't understand everything at first, but I promise you will understand at least 50%. Second, print the text and mark the words you don't know. There may be many at the beginning. Third, listen to the text from me in English again and see the translation on the screen. Try to compare the translation with the text and guess the words and their meanings. Finally, listen to the text from me without looking at the screen. Just give me your ear and see the difference. My advice ends here. All the points I explained are important, but remember these 3 things. Don't set high expectations for this course. Just stick to the rules I gave you. Be patient until the end of the course. We are working on one of the hardest language skills. 1 video each day is enough for you. You will benefit from the course if you follow my steps gradually for the time I gave you. That's everything I wanted to explain. Just know you are on the right path, and this step is great. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.